Welcome to Marque Exploration channel, where you will find lots of videos on hikings and divings. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share, like and comment. Assalamualaikum and good morning. How was the sleep? Well, I arrived early this morning at the usual place, so as usual, just relax at this fountain. Lots of birds today, this morning. So let's hope this morning we'll be doing around 6 kilometers. Not like yesterday, only 2.9 kilometers. Hopefully. This is part of the reason I could not complete 6 kilometers. They closed my usual trekking. So how to complete 6 kilometers if they close this? Anyway, I got a good reason not to complete 6 kilometers. These trees are nice, so we take 5 here to enjoy the beautiful flora and fauna of this lake. Another beautiful scenery. You see the colorful flowers, very beautiful. So now you know why I'm always here every morning. Well, not every morning, maybe 3 times a week. Surprisingly, there are so many joggers now. I think this place has gone viral due to my video yesterday. Okay, I'm not cheating. I'm starting from the bottom and going up, all the way up. See, I'm not cheating. This is the beautiful tree I was talking about yesterday. Can you see it, how beautiful it is? Or you can't see it? Or it's not clear? Anyway, let's climb the stairs. If that gate is not closed, and if I go right to the top, I think in 5 minutes I'll go home because I'm too tired. Can you see the stairs up there? It's steeper than the one below here. I guess that's the most interesting part. You might be wondering why I'm wearing this cycling shirt. Not because I'm a cyclist, well, not yet, and I don't even have a bike. It's just that I think it suits me. Maybe it looks nice on me, I don't know. But most of the times I would like to wear this shirt when I do exercise or when I go jogging or hiking. Another man-made fountain. time for breakfast. After the tiring hike, it's time for breakfast. This is going to kill the diet. Don't know how much calories is